Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we will cook stir fried chicken with vegetables. So let's start now. First of all, we will marinate the chicken with black pepper and soy sauce. Mix it very well and keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. We will take some little oil in a pan and add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it little. Then we will add the marinated chicken inside and we will fry this chicken for about for 3 to 4 minutes. You will see the color has started to change for the chicken. We fry it. So now we will add the green beans inside. We will fry it for some time. We will add the soya sauce about 1 teaspoon, salt about half teaspoon or less, and same way we add little black pepper inside about half teaspoon. We'll fry it again for some little more time because beans have to be soft, not very much soft but easy to eatable. So now we will add the capsicum. We'll fry it little. Total cooking time for this dish is about 13 to 14 minutes. We will add now oyster sauce about 1 tablespoon. We'll fry it again. It should be medium to high flame cooking, then it will be cooked very nice and very fast. So you can see our food is getting ready. Almost everything is become little soft, but should be little crunchy also, not very much soft. So you can see we have taken the other pan. Our food is completely ready to eat. Enjoy the food and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.